Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Apex Legends unable to connect to EA servers. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up CMD, right click on it, then run as admin. And then here you need to write ipconfig/flush DNS. And then another command that you need to write is nash winsock reset, right? And after that, you need to look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then go on search. Then you need to write settings. On settings, tab here, go to network and internet, and then advanced network settings. And then here you should find a network reset and press reset now. If you're using a Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. And if you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing. And after you start your computer, your problem should be fixed. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.